In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your Chrome browser history, cookies, and cache on your mobile. For any reason you want to quickly clear your browser history, this is how you can do that. Go ahead and open Chrome, and once opened, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. And here you're going to see Clear Browser Data. Tap on Clear Browser Data, and this will bring you here. You'll be able to customize the data that will be cleared. In the time frame option, you can select between 15 minutes, the last hours, 24 hours, 7 days, last 4 weeks. And if you want to clear all the data, you can tap on all time. This is going to show you the histories that will be cleared, such as your browser history. The numbers of tabs that you have opened will also be closed, your cookies and cache and other sites data. To even further customize this, tap on more option, and here you get a full detailed breakdown and additional customization. If you choose to clear your cookies, all sign-in activities on other devices will be logged out of, and you'd have to sign in back again. The cache image and files are data that have been downloaded from other sites to make it easy to load the website without having to download all those data again. You can also clear your saved password, autofills, and site settings. Once you're done with the customization, tap on Clear Data and tap on Clear. This will go ahead and clear all the activities you have customized. So that's how you can clear your Chrome browser history, cookies, and cache on mobile. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.